Hey guys! I am back with a pour video. It's been a while, but I had this idea for a little series. I'm going to do a series of pours that are going to be like based on the houses of Harry Potter. So Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Ravenclaw. I'm going to start with the easiest one just to see how it turns out, which I believe the simplest one is Slytherin. It's just like a couple different greens, black, silver, and gray. So I will start with that. Start with a little bit of black. I'm going to do just like neon green. I want to go to gray. It's been a while, as you can tell from my videos. So, that's that so far. Do some dark green. And as you can see, I'm still using my little mini cups. I am doing a much bigger canvas today, but I figure I have enough colors that it shouldn't matter. Whoops. I'll do some more. Whoops. I'll just keep saying whoops. Green. I think some gray. Black. I don't want to go too heavy on the black. The last time I did a pour, I did like way too much black. And silver. I'm hoping that this is enough. I don't know. I think I might have to mix more because it's only half a cup. I'm not sure if that's going to fill the space. So, just 1 second. Let me make a couple more. Get this light green. Get some more of that green. Some more gray. Probably some more silver. I hope this turns out right. I'm kind of afraid it won't just because my pouring medium looks like it may have went bad. I don't know if my room got too hot or what. But we're gonna see. I opened the lid and it was like gummy. So if it's bad, please someone in the comments, please let me know. So I don't keep using it and I just go buy some more. If I can do that. It's not that expensive. Okay, I just ended with silver. Let's go back to this nice green. A little bit more black. Right on top. And apparently drop it on the canvas as well. Be a lot of silver. Because the two main colors are silver and green. So I'm gonna try and fill this cup mostly full. It is getting there. Some more of this light green. Alright, time for the flip. I still need to go and get some those handy little push pins to put underneath. I know that's seems to be the most recommended thing to do. I'm still just setting it on things. From what I know, as long as it doesn't touch the surface so it doesn't get stuck, it's still fine. We'll let that rest for a little while. Alright, should be about good. Looks like some nice cells. Do I like the colors? Oops. I think I like the colors. We'll see how it comes out. Alright. That's empty. Found my lighter. Still just using a regular little lighter. Kind of regular because it's got the torch setting. Pops those bubbles pretty well, as you can see. I hope. Okay. Time for the fun part, the stretching. These corners coated. Always the toughest part. It's very murky. Not sure if I like that. I wanted some nice vivid green in there. We'll see how it dries. goes. Like maybe it's been a little bit too long since I've done it before. Oh, might have to redo this one. We'll see how the other ones go. Also a little teaser information. This is just going to be the background of a Slytherin painting I'm planning. If it turns out better than this anyways. This one more time. Going to stretch it again. Not sure how I feel about this one. It's my first one in a while. And we'll bring it closer. So as you can see, lot of murkiness. I'm not sure if I put too much Floetrol or what happened. We'll see how it finishes out, and once it's dry, I will be back with an update. Okay, bye. Hey guys, here is the checkup. All the cells have formed. It is mostly dry, and I have mixed feelings. Let's get a little closer. So I still feel like it's kind of muddy, but I think it'll work for what I'm doing. It's got a nice kind of creepy vibe, which works for, you know, Slytherin. I know the house itself isn't technically evil, but kind of seems like everyone in it is, so that works for me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, like this up for more content, and leave me some comments down below for any suggestions for future videos. I truly appreciate whenever people do that. Stay tuned for the rest of the series and the finishing of these paintings, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.